Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Paulie C. It's a rainy Saturday morning. I made a video the other day on my iPhone. I had a couple drinks.
Julian! I don't know where I felt like I get a little drink around.
In the afternoon, so I got bored, and I don't know if you guys remember the video that I put on the exhaust on the Chevy Trax, the single one. Well, I took that off. I didn't really like it on there. Oh, it was all right. But I found a dual one that I like better. So anyways, I decided to give it to someone. They didn't want it. So it's been sitting in my garage ever since. So what I did is I took all my tools out and made it fit on the Chevy Cruze. So let's go to that video now. Not too long ago, we made a video with the Chevy Trax, and a exhaust. So this is the first exhaust that we put on it. I'll leave that up in the cards. We decided to change it because I wanted dual, and I didn't know what to do with this one, so I put it on the Chevrolet Cruze. Alright, so first I said it didn't work too good on this, and it doesn't really. You really have to play around with the bolts, and it's tight there, but you really got to play with them on both sides. I played with them a lot, but it does finally fit. I'm not going to say it's perfect. Actually, that's pretty good. That's the best I had it all day. I spent an hour on this getting both bolts to fit perfectly, the ones that came with the whole setup. But anyways, it does fit, and there we go. I want to see how it sounds. Alright guys, so we're going to end this video. It's hot as out here. Oh my god. It's got to be 100 degrees or like 35 Celsius. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Also check out my link tree. Hey, also swipe over on the mobile link. If you see the hype, give me a hype. That really helps the algorithm. So anyways, until next time, like, share, subscribe, comment, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.